Okay, so we have this Max 31865. I have opened it. Now let's solder the required components on this board, which is Max 31865. Okay, we have to invert it to solder this connector with it. This will be soldered like this. As you can see, the wires will be attached at these 2 points, plus the other will go over here. So one wire over here and the other wire over here. Now let's invert it for the soldering. Like this. Now let's as you can see, all the soldering work is done. Now let's connect the PT100 wires and the other Arduino wires. Arduino wires will be connected over here at these sides, and the PT100 will be connected over these 2 points, the middle 2 points. You can also see I have soldered 3 more points, which is this one. This is where you can see it is written 2 and 4. I have soldered this point where you can see it is written 2 and 4 over here. Also I have soldered this point, and also I have soldered this point. For the 2 wire connection you have to make these solderings. Plus the module is connected with the connectors. Now let's move to the next step, and RTD minus. We have to connect the positive wire of the PT100 to this and the negative wire to this. So let's connect it. Okay, now let's connect the Arduino. The pin number CS, the CS pin will go towards the pin number 10. SDI will go towards pin number 11. SD0 will go towards pin number 12. The CLK means the clock pin will go towards pin number 13. The ground and 3.3 volts of the Arduino. So in this way we will connect the circuit diagram of it with the Arduino. The wires connection I have told you with the Arduino. Just to save the time, I have already connected the Arduino with the same wires. Now let's attach it like this. As you can see, the ground is here and CS is here. I have connected it with it. The Arduino is connected with the Max 31865. and PT100. Now let's go towards the programming side. Then we will check the temperature and about the code. This is the code. This is the total code. Okay, this is the Adafruit library which you have to download from the library manager, which is over there. You go to the include library and manage libraries. After this bar is finished, you can write the max 31865 at this search bar. But let's first let the bar complete. It is completed. Max 31865. As you can see, this is the library which I have already installed. So it is not found, and if it is not found, it shows the icon properly. So it is already installed, so I don't need to install that. After that, you have to just write #include Adafruit library max31865.h. Okay, these are the pins which we have connected with the max31865. As you can see, I have already told you CS is connected at pin number 10, SDI or SD1 is connected to pin number 11, SD0 is connected to pin number 12, and CLK is connected to pin number 13. Okay, for this part we have to define the reference 430.0 for the PT100 and 4300.0 for PT1000. If you are using PT100, so you will use 430. If you are using PT1000, so you will use 4300. Okay, same way we have to use nominal, which is 100. If it is PT1000, so we will use 1000. But here we have used 100 as we are using PT100. This is where the module begins. Same as we have to define serial begin. It actually starts the serial monitor. So if we write this line, it will start the max 31865, and if we have 2 wires, we will write over here 2. If we have 3 wires, we will write over here 3. If we have 4 wires, we will write over here 4. Okay, after that I have just defined the serial print, which is it has to print in the start. Let's go down to the main program, which is just a simple program in which we have given a float value as it is value in points. So we want to see the value in points also. So it is reading the value of the thermocouple, which is PT100 with the reference register of 430K. It will just serially print the temperature, which is TEMP, and also this float value with 1 second delay. So now let's burn to the Arduino. Okay, now let's open the serial monitor. As you can see, the 34 is the current temperature. But if I rub it, you will see the temperature will rise. And when I leave it, temperature will go down slowly. see it is going down. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.